Now, one of the big problems in the determination of whether or not a concussion occurred at a specific moment in time when there are only amateur observers is that adrenaline plays a major role. People don't even talk about adrenaline. If you were going to pick up this book, Principles of Neurology, Adams and Victor, last published in the mid-90s, you're going to look in that book, they would not say adrenaline anywhere with respect to having a traumatic brain injury. The two terms are just apples and oranges. They have nothing to do with each other. But there is no question that when you have an adrenaline-causing event, you're going to have a greater memory of that event than in anything else. Think of the most adrenaline rush events of your life, and you will remember them. You will remember them with exquisite detail. In fact, one of the problems in post-traumatic stress disorder is that the exquisiteness of the detail caused by the adrenaline is one of the problems that it's so hard to get by. The worst things that have ever happened in your life, you remember them specifically in detail greater than almost anything else you might have happened. So a person can have specific memories for this 10 or 20 second or 5-minute time around a car accident because of adrenaline and still have the potential to have amnesia for the events of the day of that accident. When a person can have specific memories with respect to what happened in the 5 or 10 or minute time surrounding an accident and still have amnesia for events of the day of the accident. It's not amnesia for the moment in time of the accident. It's amnesia for the hours, the days that come afterwards. You know, there's two types of amnesia. They talk about retrograde amnesia and anterior grade amnesia. And anterior grade amnesia also has another term that's exactly synonymous called post-traumatic amnesia. Retrograde amnesia is amnesia for events that occur prior to the accident. In almost no mild brain injury cases are you going to actually have retrograde amnesia. Post-traumatic amnesia or anterior grade amnesia, meaning events going forward from the moment of the accident, that is the real common denominator in the vast majority of disabling mild traumatic brain injuries.